Welcome to the REVIT tutorial lesson 9. In this lesson, we will not talk about project. Instead, we will learn how to create a family. Family is a complicated topic. It requires a lot of skills and spatial concept. There will be 5 family skills in total. They are extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, and sweep blend. In this lesson, we will learn these skills. When we open the REVIT, click the New button under the Families. Go to the English Family template. There are a lot of family templates. We will choose the Metric Generic Model template. It is the most common family template. You can see that the user interface is different from project. For example, there are 2 reference planes in the middle. Also, the tabs on the top are different. Let's go to the Create tab. There are 5 major drawing tools. Let's click the Extrusion. The Extrusion tool requires a profile and the height. First of all, we need to create the profile to determine the shape of it. Then, we need to set the extrusion thickness. Then, draw the extrusion. Click OK to confirm. Go to 3D view. We have drawn the box. We can adjust the box size easily. Beside dragging the blue arrow, we can adjust the height by other way. Under the Properties window, there is a Constraints, which allow you to edit the extrusion start and extrusion end. We can edit the extrusion end to control the height. Drag the blue arrow to change the shape. Under the Create tab, there is a Work Plan session. When we turn on the work plane, it can help us to understand the plane that we are working on. We can extend the work plane. However, the work plane is only for reference. Let's try to use another button. Click the Blend button. The second tool is Blend tool. It is similar to the extrusion. The only difference is the profile. This time, we need to create 2 profiles to control the top and the base. Same as extrusion, we need to set the height. First, draw the profile. Then click the Edit Top button. We are now creating another profile for the top part. Click OK. We can click the blue arrow to adjust the height. Let's go to the top view. We can edit the top profile to change the shape of the model. Relocate the top profile. The shape of the blend is depending on top and bottom profiles. We can edit the base button. Then, let's try the Revolve button. The next tool is Revolve. Revolve is combining a profile with an axis line. When we draw the profile will rotate along the axis to form a 3D object. Let's draw the profile to be rotated. Then, we need to draw the axis line. The profile will rotate along the axis line. Click the OK button. This is the result of Revolve. The profile that we have drawn will rotate with the center of the axis line. Let's try to modify the profile. For example, we can change the axis line. You can see that the shape of the revolve has changed. Let's change to color mode. Then, we will use the sweep tool. Sweep is a very useful tool. You need a path and a profile to create a sweep. The profile will follow the path and create a 3D object. First of all, we will draw the path. You can draw more one line, but that all lines must be connected. Click OK to confirm. Next, we need to draw the profile. As you can see, the profile is perpendicular to the path. The work plane is shown for reference. Now, draw the profile. Let's draw a circle. Click OK to confirm the profile. Now, we have the path and profile. Finally, we need to click OK to confirm the sweep. Final tool is Swept Blend. Sweep Blend is the final family tool. It combines Sweep and Blend tool, which will have one path and two profiles to control. The profile will follow the path and create a 3D object. First, we will draw the path. This time, the path can only be single line. Let's confirm the path. You can see that there are two work plane, because we need to draw two profiles. Select the profile one to edit. Profile work plane will be highlighted. Then we can draw the profile on the plane. Click OK to confirm the first profile. Then click the second profile. Click OK to confirm the second profile. Now, you should have two complete profiles, with one single path. Then click OK again to confirm. Let's try to change the path. You can delete this path to draw a new one, or a new draw to replace the old path. However, this time we will use a curved line to draw the path. Curve is controlled by two parameters. You can change the diameter and the angle, in order to change the curve. You can see on screen, if we draw a new path, the profiles will be kept. We don't have to draw the profiles again. We have tried different solid tools. Now, we will move on to the void form. Void form is similar to the soiled form. We can use Extrusion, Blend, Revolve, Sweep and Sweep Blend to create the void form. The void form can cut through the solid form. After cutting through the solid, the void form will be invisible. Go to the Create tab. The Void button, there are another 5 void tools. They are all similar to the solid tools that we have learnt, such as Extrusion. Let's start with Void Extrusion. Same as Extrusion, for Void Extrusion, we need to draw the profile first. Let's click the OK to confirm. You can see that a box is created. We can adjust the size of the void extrusion as well. When we click other space to confirm, the void extrusion will disappear. And the solid extrusion will be cut by the void extrusion. In fact, the void extrusion is still there. We can click the void again. When we move the void extrusion out of the solid form, the void extrusion will turn orange. It means that the void extrusion cannot cut through anything. When the void is overlapping the solid form again, it should be able to cut the extrusion again. Ok, that's a good place to stop. Now, let's recap what we have done in this lesson, and after that I will leave you some exercises for you to practice before you proceed to the next lesson. Try your best to get your hands on these exercises and get more familiar with REVIT before going on to the next lesson. There are 2 exercises with different difficulties. You may choose one of them as your assignment. The exercise 1 is relatively easy. We have learned 5 family modeling skills. In exercise 1, you need to use those skills to make family. You can create more than 5 family, of course. For the exercise 2, you need to mix all skills together to model a complex family. This family should be able to show that you apply different skills on it. Before you model the family, you should decide what object you want to select. It could be kitchen utensils, stationery, vehicle, furniture or toys. So, you should Google the object first, to have a better understanding of that object. Then, try to think about what skills could be applied on that object. It will be easier if you split the object into different parts. Finally, it is suggested to use void form as well. It can help you to put more details on your family.